I don't. I should have sold this. Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna pull one of them out, and whichever order it says to do my makeup, we are going to try to do a nice look in this crazy order. I have all the steps in here, so let's freaking get started. First step. Wow, this would be my first step, and I like it to be the last step. I'm screwed, totally screwed. Mascara. Oh, let's do some lash primer, and then some mascara. Mascara is freaking dry now. Brows. You see, I like doing my brows first, so we on a good look today. You see, I don't know why, but my brows are so dry. Like the skin underneath the actual brows. And I do moisturizer, oil all over the face. And I just have a problem where my brows are just so freaking dry. I hate doing makeup because it makes my hairs fall out. Like I'm doing it and freaking 2 brow hairs already fell out. The powder side to make it just a little bit more even, because we still got those bottom areas. Ho, hey, ho. All right, what's this step? Powder, bro. I have no foundation, no concealer, no nothing, and you telling me you want me to go in with powder and dry up my face, and then after we have to go with foundation. Oh, I'm pissed off. Well, we're gonna go in with my favorite. So I tap some of it in there, click it off. Be a good one, please. Lip. I guess that's not bad. Trying to do my lips. I don't even know how I'm going to do my eyeshadow. I don't have a plan. So we're just going with the flow. But we're trying to make this look good, okay? Berry. Let's do this. I've never tried this before. Oh my god, I'm so scared. It's like a bright pink. Oh no. What did I do? I should have sold this. What? And carnation sauce. Oh my god, how am I supposed to look good with this color? Oh no. Oh my god, this is like old lady status. Come on, I do not like this color. I should have sold this. I don't like reds, because in my opinion it makes my eyes like really small, my face really chubby, and I don't know if that's just like a mental thing, but that product feels comfortable. I don't even have much moisture on my lips, and it's not drying me out. Pretty cute. The more I look at it. Setting spray. You know what? This was not going to be an issue. You want to know why? Because this setting spray, I only have one, and this setting spray helps set makeup, revive the skin. So pretty much you can do this under makeup, over makeup, and it makes you like so this is gonna help my powder situation. Yes. Okay. Oh, but my mascara. Oh, keep your eyes open, keep your eyes open. I need like one of those portable fans. Keep your eyes open. Don't want mascara underneath. No. Concealer. All right, usually I do foundation before concealer, but it's okay. My usual Dior. To use a dry beauty blender for this. I know it might sound weird, but it just works best for my skin. I know some girls with their concealer, they put it here, the nose, that. I don't do all of that because I tend to get really greasy in this area. Well, the nose area, I get pretty greasy. So I don't like to add extra products where it could cake up. eyeshadow. Alright, I don't even know what eyeshadow game I'm gonna do today. I think especially with this kind of lip, you need to do a nude look. Okay, I know a lot of people love nude looks. Pinky color right here. It's called Ploof. So let's go in with that. I'm just gonna set that concealer that we put down because it is creasing. Thank God we got to this step fast. I was supposed to put way more concealer on my eyelids so these colors could pop, but that's where I failed. I only put like whatever was on the beauty blender, but I was scared. I was scared to put more concealer on my eyelid because of the mascara, and I didn't wanna go in that. I didn't want to take that chance. Wine and Dine. That is a perfect shade. Blend it in. Oh, that's popping. That is popping, and then a little bit in that crease. Okay, I couldn't help it, and I'm like fully putting it in the crease. Let's add brownie points, that little brown shade. Yeah, because it's too much purple in my eyes. So we're gonna go right back over that same area. And this time we're gonna go lower, like on the actual eyelid. Some inner highlight, inner corner highlight. So I'm gonna take that same shade, do like that cranberry splash color right here. Just so jelly shade. It's like a light pink. Wow, it comes off so freaking different. This is like holographic pink. I like it. The On Freak shade right there. Just put some of that red in the middle. I love how it's a natural look and this is like so freaking purplish. Now we want to do foundation. Now, okay, I'll take it. Full coverage, Clinique. Nah, spray the sponge so that way it gets nice and damp. There we go. Bronzer. Hopefully some of this powder from the bronzer will help. The Hoola bronzer, been having it forever, but it's not ran out, so we're gonna keep on using. Oh, you see how dry I am? Oh my God, my face is caking up. It is pissed. It is so pissed right now. Primer. After putting all this on my face, now it's primer. I wish I had a primer setting spray. Ooh, I could. No, that doesn't count. That doesn't count. Because it doesn't say primer on it. This one, the one step, and it's not hydrating at all. It just helps like with different colorations that you have on your skin to mute them. Can I please use this, guys? Please. I know you're screaming at me. No, that's cheating. Stop cheating. Fine. For the video, you know what I'm gonna do? Put this on a beauty blender. I never put it on a beauty blender. I usually put it on a flat brush just like this, and I spatula it into my face. But we gonna pounce this sucker in my face today. So put some primer. Oh. So it is. Tomato it. Yeah. See, I ain't cheating, right? So we're gonna oh my God. What am I doing? I'm totally messing up this makeup look. Am I? I don't know. Was it already messed up from the start? I would say so. I'm totally cakey. Like, I'm getting actually so much texture bumps right here. How much worse can this get? Highlight. The Ambrisi highlight. Just take a lot of it. eyeliner. Hey, I'm ready for this. Final step, blush or color. This actually gives a little bit more shimmer. I just swirl this puppy around and go right above that bronzer. We are going to come up close and personal, and you tell me what you think, okay? My opinion, I just feel cakey as heck in certain areas and greasy as heck. Now that this challenge is done, I'm gonna put some real powder on and set my face for real, because I am cakey. Look. Oh please, yes. Oh, that feels better. I'm just tacky. I can't stand that tacky feeling. No tackiness. So I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you want to see down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like and comment. Tell a friend to subscribe. Share this video with others. Get a friend to subscribe. And let's keep growing. We almost at 650. I'm so happy. Yes. You guys have a blessed day. Bye.